When it comes to making a lasting impression, your commercial property's appearance plays a vital role in how customers perceive your business. In Frederick, a town known for its charming blend of historic character and modern development, curb appeal is especially important. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades you can make is investing in new windows. Here's how this simple enhancement can elevate the look, feel, and even the value of your commercial property. Modern aesthetic appeal. Outdated, cracked, or foggy windows can immediately age a building and deter potential clients or tenants. Replacing them with sleek, modern alternatives instantly revitalizes the building's exterior. Whether you're in a colonial storefront in downtown Frederick or a contemporary office in Riverside Corporate Park, new windows can be customized to match your building's architectural style, creating a more cohesive and attractive look. Opting for frames in colors that complement your facade, or installing larger windows that maximize visibility and natural light, contributes to a more professional and welcoming image. These details can transform a tired-looking property into a polished commercial space that draws in foot traffic and builds trust with clients at first glance. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. New windows aren't just about looks, they also provide functional value. Many modern window systems come with energy-efficient technologies, such as low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and insulated frames. These features reduce energy transfer, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. In Frederick's four-season climate, this energy efficiency can result in significant savings on heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Businesses looking to reduce operational expenses while demonstrating environmental responsibility will find that upgrading windows serves both objectives at once. Enhanced natural light and interior visibility. One of the hidden benefits of new windows is the improved flow of natural light into your building. Brighter interiors are more inviting to both customers and employees, enhancing the overall atmosphere. For retail spaces, new windows can serve as a marketing tool, providing clear, unobstructed views of displays or merchandise that entice passers-by to enter. In office environments, studies show that natural lighting can increase productivity, improve mood, and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. For commercial properties in Frederick seeking to boost tenant retention or employee satisfaction, this upgrade is a strategic move with both internal and external benefits. Boosted property value and tenant attraction. Investing in new windows can increase the appraised value of your property. When potential buyers or tenants evaluate commercial spaces, the visual and functional quality of the building significantly influences their decision-making. High performance, attractive windows can serve as a strong selling point, signaling that the property is well maintained and move-in ready. In Frederick's competitive real estate market, especially in desirable areas like Market Street or Carroll Creek, such upgrades can give your property an edge. Whether you're leasing out offices or planning a future sale, new windows add to the marketability and desirability of your asset. Custom branding opportunities. Windows can also play a role in your business's branding. From customized etched glass to decorative grids and awnings, the design of your new windows can reinforce your brand identity. Window signage and displays become more effective when placed on clean, modern glass, helping to communicate professionalism and attention to detail. For businesses in Frederick's bustling commercial corridors, where walkability and visual appeal are key, these custom touches help your location stand out from the crowd. Final thoughts. New windows do more than just fill an architectural gap. They transform your building into a more attractive, efficient, and valuable space. In a community like Frederick, where aesthetics and preservation matter, window replacement is a smart, customer-focused investment for any commercial property owner. Whether you're hoping to increase foot traffic, attract high-quality tenants, or simply refresh your property's image, new windows offer a high return in both form and function.